Hi, in this video we will see how we can use the SVG images inside pages. So I have couple of images are there which are SVG and I want to use this inside the pages to design some diagram or something like that. So what we need to do, at first we need to insert this image. We can insert the image different way. We can use insert and then image lot of different ways, but the easiest option is whenever we have images, basically we can select it. Suppose I want to add this image here, so I need to click here and we need to drag and drop it inside the pages and it will be there. And if we try to increase the size, and it will be increased. So in this way we can easily add the SVG images inside the pages. And if we want to check the images how it is made, basically we can actually divide the whole image also. So at that case we have to select the image, and then after that we have to go format, and then it will expand it a menu, and then one of the menu is shapes and lines. We have to move our cursor over there, and then we will find this type of option, and one of the option is break apart. We just need to click here and the image will be break, and here it will show us all the available images of that thing. Now here basically everything is separated. Now we can actually select by double clicking, and then we can move everything over there like this way. We can move, we can also move like this way. So basically SVG image is a collection of shapes, and you can group it or you can separate it based on your own need after inserting inside the pages. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily add the SVG image, and then if we want to change it or modify it, we can easily do inside the pages. Thank you guys for watching the video.